Hello, I'm here to help you with this worksheet. Chance experiments or experimental probability, either way. So we're going to look at tally charts because that's a very simple way to record repeated trials when we are doing experiments. And then we can work out our chance calculations from this. So, local supermarket promotion. The shoppers are given scratch cards that contain offers of 2, 5, 10 and 25% off their shopping bill. So as they were collected, they wrote it down. Now this is how you do it. The outcomes were 2, 5, 10 and 25, and we've done the tally marks. So 2%, as you do the 2%, you cross it out and put it in here. You can see it is in groups of 5. That makes adding them up at the end very easy. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 12, 5 and one more, and 2. Now we add these up. So these were the frequency or how often they occurred. So you add these up. This total should match the fact that 50 cards were collected. So this number here and this number here should be the same. If they're not, you will need to go back and check your work and find your mistake. Now we get on to finding that probability. So experimental probability of getting a 5%. So we look at the 5% and there were 12. The total number of cards scratched out was 50, so that goes on the bottom. Remember, you write down your formula and you substitute the numbers into it. And that, of course, is 24%, because you would multiply them both by 2, which gives you 24 over 100, which is your 24%. 24 out of 100. Okay, example for you to do here. Now remember, as you're doing it, as you get ahead, you tally it. You get a tail, a tally. Keep doing that. Now make sure when you add the two frequencies up at the bottom here, you have 20. And remember to keep your tally marks in groups of 5. Okay, have a look at those two examples and have a go. And these are the answers. How did you go? Did you get the 20 and the 50 that you were asked for? You made your tallies in groups of 5 and you found your frequency by counting your tally marks. Very good. And some more on the back. And we're looking for the light ring this time to work out our probability. So first of all, you have to fill in your tallies, count up your frequency, make sure that this total is the same as the 50 that are there. 5 of them have missed. So make sure you've got the 35 darts were thrown. 35 has to be here. And you're looking at the light rings. So go back to your formula. Write down your formula. It's the light ring that you're after. And find these numbers off your tally sheet. And this one here as well. The last one, you have to set up your own table. How did you go? So you get your 35, you wrote out your formula, light rings. There were 14 of them that you counted, over 35, which was the total. You simplified, you divide them both by 7, and then you have multiplied it up to 100 by multiplying by 20, and that gives you your percentage. So always get that denominator into a number that's going to be easily converted to 100. So first of all, both of them were divided by 7, top and bottom. 5 is easy, and you multiply that by 20, top and bottom. How did you go? If you need to do some adjustments to your next question, pause it and fix up question 6. Otherwise, how did you go? Make sure you got the 50, and it was hearing rock, the chance of hearing rock. So we're looking at rock. We go to the rock, it's 17. We go to the total, it's 50. We just double them to get that 50 up to 100 to get the 34%. The chance of hearing country, we go through and it's 12 this time. Go through the same steps as here, 24%. Therefore 24% of 150 songs, 24 over 100, that's 24%, of 150 would be 36 country songs would have been heard. How'd you go? Okay, bye.